Hello, I'm Helen. I work for the Ocean Conservation Trust and I'm the Public Engagement Manager. So the Ocean Conservation Trust is working to protect and restore seagrass beds all around the southwest. So we've been going out and collecting seagrass seeds from the healthy beds around here, and then we're basically replanting them in areas where there's no seagrass to try and increase the amount of seagrass that we've got around the southwest. Seagrass is really important. It's a really important habitat for commercially important fish. So things like bib, pollock, flounder, they all use it as a nursery ground, so that's where the babies grow up. But it's also really important for climate change. So it basically stores loads and loads of carbon that we produce from burning fossil fuels, and it stores it in its plants, in its roots, and in the sediment that it secures. So it's a really good carbon capture.
We're out here in just under Jenny Cliff to do some seabed mapping for the Ocean Conservation Trust. So what we got here is the B&G system, which essentially tracks the seabed and allows us to see exactly what it looks like under the sea. This information is then taken by the OCT, who can then use that to think about exactly where it's most appropriate to plant the seagrass and get the best out of it. We then take this information and put it into the BioBase system that B&G have that actually essentially allows us to actually create a map of this whole seabed area. The great thing is we're able to use our equipment to actually deliver and help them out, when they don't typically have this information or this equipment available to them.
It's really great to be working with SailGP and B&G, and it's really important to the project as well, because not only are they helping us map the seagrass beds, it's also really important because it's actually going to help us get the word out there a bit more and also support us through funding so that we can continue this project in the future.